Hello, I'd like to give you Yellow Dig feedback for weeks 5, 6, and 7. And week 7 was a blockbuster to me. These were the 3 topics for those 3 weeks. Let's first look at some insights from professional networking. Take a read. This piece about in-person conversation is really true. On campus, you'll see students sitting together, all on their phones texting. But communication, like LinkedIn sites, can really assist in your professional development by joining some groups in LinkedIn that relate to what your interests are. I completely agree. For example, I was talking to an accounting colleague who said that software is changing the face of accounting forever, and he's in a rush to keep up. And we try to stress at both the graduate and undergraduate level analytical skills because we're constantly told in the literature and face-to-face conversations that the need to have strong people, social skills, and analytical skills are at the top of the ladder. Yes, the new training available is very important. And I do think cross-training is critical for career growth because, you might find out you like the other thing better. Also, you just have to stay on the leading edge in industry. So if for those of you that are not educators, the university provides X amount of money every year to every faculty member to attend a professional development event. For me, I attend an international conference once a year in the Association of Business Communication. I'm very active there. And on my own nickel, I go to the Association of Business Communication Southwest meeting every year too. I love meeting people, watching how they have new tools to teach with, new trends, new ideas, and also discovering from them that my problems are not unique. Let's talk about PLNs. Take a read. Well, I too agree that my PLN has really advanced my career. Let's take a look at this one that caused a bit of a real engagement. Let's start with Myra. I emphasize gossip because it can often destroy your career or add some spin to it you were unaware of. And because I'm a bug on it, internal communication is critical, and it depends on your situation. For example, right now, Fort Hays State University is creating a new strategic plan, and every faculty member has been given an opportunity, multiple opportunities, to have their two cents worth shared. Because the concept in higher ed of shared governance means faculty can be deeply involved. Now, Karen has a nice one. Take a look. I know a large number of our online students as working adults do have shift work. And so my hat always goes off to those that tackle an online course and work night shifts. I think the last one is hilarious. Most of the time, no one responds because most of them will not check their email. Uh, it's very common for undergraduates at the freshman level, since they didn't use email before they came here. They can go a whole semester without ever reading it, and they'll learn quickly that this is a major way we communicate. Take a look at this one from Caitlin. One of the things we have to think about in professional growth and professional development is how much stress do you want to put yourself under. I've known many people in organizations that just say, this is all I want to do. I don't want to do anything else. And that's fine. That's their choice. Now, Karen also responds with another interesting reply. So she had her friend she used it as an offer and gave her a sweetener. Well, this has been an interesting read, very insightful. Thank you very much for all your learnings.